Oh, wow, no!
Break him! Let's go. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Man back with another video. And yes, I know I was gone for a little while, but you see me upload 2 reactions. People must be forgot about me. It's low on views, but now I'm into gaming. I've been into gaming, but I got my gaming set up. Now I got my gaming set up, and now I'm about to post more gaming video, more legit videos now. So in this clip, hold up, before we even get into that, because you know how to drop off a little rando, you feel me? But listen, before we even get in the video, make sure y'all go follow my Twitch at that boy J-Man. Link gonna be in the description. Make sure y'all go follow my Twitch, man, at THATBOI J-Man, J-M-A-N. Make sure y'all go follow. I'm gonna be streaming daily on there. And also I'm gonna be posting on YouTube regularly. So support me, man, support me. I'm trying to be out there, I'm trying to get out there, you feel me? I can't get out there without y'all support and without y'all help, you feel me? Oh my God, why the hat getting back up? I need a haircut, that's why I got the hat on. But anyways, I'm grinding. I got next gen now. I finally got next gen, and I'm grinding right now. And my overall ain't that high. 87, I could be 88. I don't really got that much badges, but I still can jump anybody else because I got the most demigod build, bro. My driving dunks a 90, driving layup like a 94, or go up to ball handling 89, speed with the ball like a 85, speed at 88. I can do everything. Contact dunks, shoot, dribble, break your ankles, name it. I got the best build in 2K, hands down. I don't care who your favorite YouTuber is, who your favorite gamer is, I got the best build in 2K. But let's just get into the video, man. You know, I had to drop off, this dude real quick, you feel me? Stay tuned. Go. Like, that's just get past me easily. Like, this motherfucker is not human. Bitch, I'm an object right there in front of him. Look at that shit.
Awesome.
Bro, why is this nigga just easy? You got easy blow bars in it.
You got what?
Easy blow bars?
Yeah. I got like, like, 20, no, not 20, like 13 defensive badges, something like that. Steal the ball, bro. Steal the ball, bro.
Look at it. Like,
Why am I jumping for no reason?
you gotta hit those shit, bro. No way you not hitting them shit. Oh. No way you not hitting them shit, bro. No way, bro. No possible way. I just put deep threes on fucking that's up. You ain't hitting that shit.
I will hit it again.
No, you won't.
I missed it. Can you do it again? Oh my. Alright, good lord. Wait. Ball? Thank you.
Like I'm up. Right here now. Right here. This thing called 5 seconds on this hoe? I know it's 5 seconds in the hoe.
Where's the portion I'm choking? Why am I jumping for no reason? Okay. I'm not jumping.
Gosh. Must he got clamps, bro. Yeah.
I call that foul. Thank you. What? Give me the ball back. Oh my god. That's a foul.
It should take me 12.3 rebounds and 2 steals just to get a badge. Like, what the fuck? I ain't got. Hold on.
My god, why am I jumping, bro? Oh my god. That's alright. First. Do it again.
Oh.
The badge. These two guys. This game is let's see.
Oh. Come on, man.
Oh, no!
Break him! Let's go. Let's go.
Run it back.
Okay. 1-1. Woo! Oh, now I getting to feel like you getting you falling for the hit.
Okay.
Oh, see how they put it. Oh,
you're not me.
Oh yeah.
Bro, are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me?
Yes, sir, Ski.
The ball went back.
Sersky, the hezzy Killy.
I respect it.
Cream. Let's go. Quarter water. Go, man.
Respect it.
Not getting. You don't disrespect me like that, man. Nah.
Do it again.
I don't respect yours either.
Yeah, that's a good point. Hang on. Alright. Thank you.
If you hit the corner, if you ain't green in the corner like that, yeah, I can give that to you again.
Now let's see.
Let's see. Oh yeah, thank you. Oh, I thought you hit that.
How's you out of bounds?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
They get blown out.
Oh no, get the ball, get the ball, get the ball.
So the reaction house in that, bro. You're so bad.
That shit is whack. That shit is whack right there. Whack.
God.
That shit is whack right there. Why would you make me do that and I got the lane? Like, why would you make me do the fadeaway and I got the lane? Ah.
Here you go. Here you go.
You trying to baby me?
Here you go.
Baby me?
Hey!
Baby me?
Hey!
I don't know why you trying to baby me just now.
How much you weigh?
I can't even remember. I think 199.
Wait, yeah, shoot.
Let's go.
I'm taller than him. Like 6'5".
Bang on him. Ah. I don't understand why my dude not knocking those people, bro. Like, that's supposed to be a dunk on. Let's go. B.
I'm going. Shoot the ding ball!
Go.
Oh my
Okay.
god! My fault. Oh my god. Shoot the damn ball!
Ooh, good handles. Good handles. Ah. Oh, that money still.
Oh, that's off.
You.
So freaking slow, bro. Open them, please. Okay.
Go.
Really? First percent cover and you miss our type of layup, bro.
Oh yeah. Gotta pause for the head.
Every time. Okay. I got you. I got your number. I got your number.
That's still open for me. I don't know what it is, bro. My mirror is even high. Everything high.
I'm glad you're not trying to shoot that. Hey, my player got, I'm doing good. My player got a dribble, bro.
Sir. Clamps.
Good.
The clamps.
Yeah, good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, and one.
I'm not. No, that's 50%. Nah. That's all.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Yeah. More than 9 foot. Hold on. That's a little. I don't expect it to do it again.
Come on, you my old guard because I can dunk on you right now.
No.
That money.
Really, abstract card is so slow. Please go for the ball.
Oh. GG's in the chat. GG's in the chat. Hey, go follow my Twitch, bro. You was on live just now. My Twitch is that boy J Man. THATBOI J Man.